3D printed Omnia accessories. We designed some 3D printed accessories for our Omnia, and we'd like to share them with you. The free STL files are available on Printables. You'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. First, the funnel lid. No more spilling. Then we have templates for mini croissants and larger croissants, so they fit perfectly in your Omnia. How about a cookie cutter shaped like your Omnia ring? You can fill the entire baking tray with perfectly shaped cookies. And who says they're only for cookies? Here's a crispy fried cheese snack. The last one is a template for cutting the hole in your baking paper to fit the Omnia chimney perfectly. On our Printables page, you'll find even more designs, including Vanlife cookie cutters, a camper and caravan sets. Enjoy your Omnia.